Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting radical equation for the real values of x. We have denominators cube root 100, cube root 100 and cube root 5. To get rid of denominators we need to multiply our equation by cube root 100 both sides. So we'll multiply our equation by cube root 100. Let's multiply and write our equation. Cube root of 2x minus 5 over 100 times cube root 100 will be cube root of 2x minus 5 plus cube root of 3x minus 5 over 100 times cube root of 100 will be cube root of 3x minus 5 equal to cube root of x minus 2 over 5 times cube root 100. We will get x minus 2 times 100 over 5. Now we can cancel numerator 100 with denominator 5. So we will get 20 here. And 20 can be factorized 4 times 5. So we can write our equation cube root of 2x minus 5 plus cube root of 3x minus 5 equal to cube root of 4 times 5, this is 20, times x minus 2. Now we can multiply 5 with bracket terms x minus 2 and we will get cube root of 2x minus 5 plus cube root of 3x minus 5 equal to cube root of 4 times in the bracket 5x minus 10. Now we are going to use substitutions. Let's say first cube root equal to a, second cube root equal to b. So we will write here cube root of 2x minus 5. If this is equal to a, then after cubing both sides, we will get a cube, which will be equal to 2x minus 5. Similarly, cube root of 3x minus 5. This is equal to substitution b. After cubing both sides, we will get b cube 3x minus 5. Now we have to add both the equations. So we are going to get a cube plus b cube value, which will be equal to 5x minus 10, which is available in right hand side. Let me write equation here, cube root of 2x minus 5 plus cube root of 3x minus 5 equal to cube root of 4 times in the bracket 5x minus 10. Now this is equal to a as per our substitution. This is b. Here we can write a cube plus b cube. So I will write equation a plus b equal to cube root of 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now we have cube root in right hand side. So we can cube both sides to get rid of cube root. So let us cube both sides. Now we can cancel cube root with cube in RHS and we will write equation a plus b whole cube equal to 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now we have to expand our LHS. We will use a plus b whole cube identity here, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. In RHS we have 4 times a cube plus b cube, which we can write 4a cube plus 4b cube. Now we will take all the terms of left hand side to right hand side. So 4a cube minus a cube, we will get 3a cube. 4b cube minus b cube, we will get 3b cube. Then we'll write minus 3 times ab, a plus b equal to 0. Now 3 is common. We will take 3 common out. So in the bracket, we will write a cube plus b cube minus ab times a plus b equal to 0. So from here, we will get a cube plus b cube minus ab times a plus b equal to 0. Now we'll be using a cube plus b cube formula, which is equal to a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. Then we have minus ab times a plus b. RHS is 0. Now we can take a plus b common out. So we will get a plus b is common. In other bracket, we will write a square plus b square minus ab, and then we'll write minus ab equal to 0. So from here, we can write a plus b times a square plus b square minus 2 times ab, which is one algebraic formula. So we can write our equation a plus b times a minus b whole square will be equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we'll write either a plus b equal to 0 or a minus b whole square will be equal to 0. So from our first equation, we will get a equal to minus b. And from second equation, we will get a minus b equal to 0 or a equal to b. So we have two important results from our equation, a equal to minus b and a equal to b. Now a and b are our substitutions. So let me consider our first equation, a equal to minus b. Now we'll be cubing both sides. So we'll write minus b whole cube, which will be equal to a cube equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, and then we'll write times b cube. And if we will consider cubing here, we are going to get a cube equal to b cube. Now we have a cube 2x minus 5, b cube 3x minus 5. So we will consider our first equation, a cube equal to minus of b cube. A cube is 2x minus 5 and b cube is 3x minus 5. Now we'll write 2x minus 5 equal to minus 3x plus 5. Now we'll take minus 3x to the LHS and minus 5 to the RHS. So 2x plus 3x will be our left hand side and 5 plus 5 will be in the right hand side. So 5x will be equal to 10. After dividing by 5 both sides, we are going to get our first real solution, x equal to 2. Now we have second equation, a cube equal to b cube. So a cube is 2x minus 5. B cube is 3x minus 5. We'll take 2x to the RHS and minus 5 to the LHS. So we will get 5 minus 5 in left hand side and 3x minus 2x in right hand side. So 0 will be equal to x. So our second real solution must be x equal to 0. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our cube root equation, x equal to 0, x equal to 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.